Today we're here out of grave concern for what's going to happen tomorrow to gasoline prices. Californians should fill up now because tomorrow we're very likely to see prices at the pump jump by 10 cents a gallon. The concern we have is that 2 refineries in California have gone down that control 16% of the gas supply in the state. And as a result, gas prices will go up. They've already gone up 30 cents in the last couple of weeks, while around the rest of the nation, gasoline prices have only gone up a dime. When you take offline nearly 20% of our capacity in California, gas prices are going to spike, and they're going to spike quick. And we don't believe this is a coincidence. We're very concerned that what oil companies are doing, as they have been caught in the past, through internal memos, not through law enforcement agencies. What we're concerned oil companies are doing is manipulating the supply of gasoline to artificially spike the price. In California today, we have 10 days worth of inventory of gasoline. That's half the national inventory of about 24 days. And because oil companies keep us running on empty, whenever there's a fire, whenever there's a little problem or a planned maintenance for a refinery, the price goes up. And oil companies know that. And that's why they keep us running on 10 days of inventory, in order to have little jolts in the price that help their profits. We have Tesoro with its Martinez refinery going offline for a strike, when Tesoro executives have acknowledged that anytime there's a strike, you can keep a refinery running because it doesn't take that many workers to keep a refinery running. Why did we take not 8% of California's gasoline supply offline last week? It was unnecessary. And there needs to be a state investigation of that, because today we have Exxon having a major outage and fire at its Torrance refinery, which is responsible for another 8% of the gasoline supply. And yesterday, Exxon announced it was taking the refinery in Torrance down for technical problems, for a problem with its cracker. And we at ConsumerWAtchdog believe that the Attorney General, the Governor, and the California Energy Commission need to have on-site inspectors to find out why 2 refineries have gone down. Today, it's a fire, because when that cracker apparently was about to go down, there was an automatic shut-off at the plant that led to a letting of product, a letting of gasoline, and that led to an explosion at the plant. We're still finding out what happened, but we don't know the trigger event. And the real result here is that if this refinery was going to be offline yesterday for 2 weeks, today it's going to be offline for longer than 2 weeks. That's going to mean a good 50-cent increase in the price of gas if we don't get Martinez back online and more supply in California. The main problem we have in California is we're the only refineries in the state that make the gasoline that we use in California, and so the oil companies have us over a barrel. Crude oil could be 10 cents a gallon. It has to run through refineries to become the type of gasoline we use. As a result, oil companies throttle back production when the price is too low in order to drive up price, and they've done that. But we learned from Enron and the electricity crisis and Duke Energy and the other energy pirates that California will not be fooled again unless our public officials do what our public officials did back then and turn a blind eye. We need on-site inspectors. We need people with badges investigating what happened in Torrance and what's happening in Martinez. And we need someone to tell Tesoro to put Martinez back online.